Welcome back, friends, and we are finally on the mammal unit. I'm really excited to start with the parts of, vital functions, and types of mammals. So the first thing we're going to discuss are the parts of a mammal. Mammals are vertebrates with several distinct characteristics. They usually have hair or fur on their bodies, they usually give birth to live babies, and they are warm-blooded. The trunk of the mammal is long and is also called the body, or in humans, the torso. It contains the major organs of the body, like the stomach, liver, and intestines. The neck of the mammal can be long or short. It connects the head to the body, or the trunk, and the neck contains the spinal cord and the spinal column. Many mammals have tails, and tails have a lot of uses. Some use them to swat away insects, and others use them for climbing or swinging. Some mammals, like humans, have no tails. The head of a mammal has eyes, ears, nose, and a mouth. The head contains and protects the brain, which controls the mammal's body. The eyes of a mammal transmit pictures to the brain. This helps mammals to always be aware of the environment around them. The mammals have ears to help collect and direct sound waves to the sensitive internal hearing organs. The mane is long, stiff hair on the neck or head of a mammal. All mammals, even humans, have hair or fur on their bodies. Many mammals have hooves, which cover and protect their feet. Some mammals have nails or claws. Still, others have no form of covering on their feet. Mammals use their limbs for walking, running, swimming, crawling, and swinging. Most land mammals have 4 limbs. Ocean mammals have fins or flippers instead of legs or arms. So that covers the parts of a mammal. Now we're going to cover the vital functions of a mammal. A lot of the times, mammals have hair that covers their skin. Many aquatic animals have only a few hairs. Hair color is used to camouflage the mammal from its predators or prey. The mammal has an internal skeleton. The skeleton of the mammal consists of the skull, the spinal column, the scapula, the sternum, the ribs, the pelvis, and the bones of the limbs. All mammals breathe by means of lungs, even mammals that live in water. The lungs of the mammal are often divided into the left and the right lobes. The lungs are filled with millions of little round air sacs. These air sacs are named alveoli. The mammal breathes in oxygen into the lungs and alveoli. Respiration is a chemical process. Respiration is the process of oxygen passing through the thin walls of the alveoli to the bloodstream. The other part of respiration is the carbon dioxide passing from the bloodstream to the alveoli. The mammal reproduces by eggs that fully develop inside the body of the mother. In most mammals, the young develop inside the mother's body. A few mammals lay eggs, like the platypus or echidna. In most mammals, the mother suckles the young and protects and cares for them. The mammal has a 4-chambered heart. The heart chambers are the right and left atria and the right and left ventricles. The heart pumps blood through the entire body of the mammal. The mammal moves by means of 4 limbs. Some mammals have limbs modified for swimming or for flying. The long legs and flexible hip and shoulder joints of many mammals allow for a wide range of motion and rapid movement. And that wraps up the vital functions of a mammal. And now we get to move on to types of mammals. Remember, there are many more than listed here. The rhinoceros is native to Africa and Asia, characterized by their long horn and excellent hearing and smelling ability. They are herbivores and one of the largest mammals. Rabbits are also herbivores that live in all different climates, from deserts to wetlands. They have long ears, up to 10 centimeters, a short tail, and powerful back legs which propel them to hop forward. Moles have round bodies covered in dark fur with tiny eyes. Sometimes their appearance is confused with rodents. They live all over North America, Europe, and Asia, and eat insects. A mouse is a type of rodent. Although tiny, with a long tail and beady eyes, mice can adapt to almost any environment and are found all over the world. The platypus lives on both land and water and has unique features such as a duck-like bill, a broad flat tail, and webbed feet. Platypus males are venomous and the females lay eggs. The lemur is a primate with large eyes found on the island of Madagascar. They spend most of their time living in and jumping between trees and have long tails used for balance. Kangaroos are marsupials native to Australia. They are tall, stand upright, and use powerful hind legs to hop. Babies are born undeveloped and finish developing in the mother's pouch. The scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens, meaning wise human. They have a highly developed brain capable of language and abstract thinking. They are the dominant life form on Earth. Gorillas are large primates that live in tropical African forests and feed on plants. Sometimes confused with chimpanzees, they have long arms and can walk upright. Giraffes are the tallest mammals at about 17 feet and are native to Africa. They have a long neck and small head with horns as well as brown spots. They drink a lot of water and are herbivores. Dolphins are marine mammals that live in shallow seas all over the world. Very playful, they work well with humans. They eat fish and squid and are considered the most intelligent of all animals. Dogs are one of the few domesticated mammals living and working with humans. There are hundreds of breeds with many sizes, shapes, and colors. Most have a furry coat and a tail. Deer are hoofed animals that live in many different locations and climates. The males grow and shed new antlers each year. Deer are herbivores, eating tree bark, grass, buds, and acorns. Cows are large mammals who can weigh well over 1,000 pounds. Cattle are raised as livestock for dairy, meat, leather, and to pull plows and carts. Males, otherwise known as bulls, have long horns. Bears are found mostly in the northern hemisphere. They have large bodies with stocky legs, large paws, and a short tail. Most are omnivorous. Bears hibernate in caves during the winter. And lastly, cheetahs are the fastest mammal, able to run about 120 kilometers per hour, or 70 miles per hour. They have tan fur with black spots and are carnivores. They live in Africa and Asia in deserts and grasslands. And that is it for our video, so it is time to record your work. As always, the recording options are on the Mammal Unit Checklist, which is on the Google Drive in the Mammal folder. Talk to you later!